hope you all are safe at your home and enjoying the vacation. We all know the whole world is under the threat of pandemic caused by coronavirus. As per the latest information, more than 26 lakhs people were infected by coronavirus. It is still spreading all over the world. Let us discuss few things how to stop spreading of coronavirus. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Use alcohol-based sanitizers. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask when you go outside. Maintain minimum 2-meter distance from others. Don't touch your eye, nose and mouth. Avoid close contact with people. I salute all the doctors, nurses and policemen for protecting us from coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Hi friends, in the lockdown period I spend my time with my family members. My parents told me to use the time in engaging creative activities and learn something new.
Hi everyone, it's me Parvati Prasad from Ambika English Medium School. I'm studying in 6th standard. Today, all of us are aware of the coronavirus outbreak in the world. It has taken innumerable lives all over the world. The number of positive cases in India is rising day by day. Maybe each one of us would be responsible for the present condition. This is one of the deadly diseases that we faced around the centuries. This epidemic can't be beaten up by an ordinary viral vaccine. As our country is battling the coronavirus, government had extended lockdown. Our state Kerala was successful at arresting the spread of coronavirus. We should always thank the brave hand behind this progress to get rid of this fatal disease. It's really very hard to stay at home without any activity. But don't worry, it's exactly the right time to unlock your inner talents. Thank you. Time is very precious. Don't waste time. I will spend my time on hobbies. Hobbies are very important to a person. Without having any hobby, life won't be as colorful as it should be. Some of my hobbies are reading book. I spend more time on reading book. Learning will be more enjoyable. Next, I spend my time on doing yoga. Benefit of yoga is improved flexibility, strength and reduced stress. Next is dancing. It is one of my favorite activity. When I am dancing, I feel more enjoyable. It is also an exercise.
Myself, Malavika Anna. As we all know, at this present situation, each and every individual is patient enough to keep themselves calm and tranquil within their houses. But there are some people who get stressed and emotionally weak during this lockdown. Exploring new skills is the best way to understand and judge yourself. Various activities like sing, dance, draw, cook, etc., which can be done indoors, is the best way to spend your time to reduce your stress and as well as build up your skills. Various online competitions and activities will help to know one's capability. So, I, Malavika NM, would like to end up my few words by unlocking your skills in the lockdown. Thank you and have a nice day.
Myself, Ryan Krishna, student of Ambika English Medium School. During this lockdown time, I spend my time mostly with origami art. Origami art is the art of paper folding. Drawing is also one of my hobby. safe. Thank you.
Coronavirus. Due to coronavirus, lot of people have lost their lives. But we should never make the mistake of stepping out of our house, because that can lead to the death of so many people. Coronavirus is a contagious disease that spreads through the contact of people. It is a transmittable disease which can spread from one person to another person and can continue further. So we should start following all the instructions given by the government. And the most important one is social distancing. Should keep a distance from every single people, and the better idea is stay at home, which can really keep you safe and preventive from this virus. So stay home, stay safe.